Let me share something that completely changed how I think about reading. The average person spends 3 hours a day watching Netflix. That's enough time to read War and Peace 3 times a month. And yet, we tell ourselves we don't have time to read. But what if I told you? Reading a book a week isn't about motivation or free time. It's about using a system that works even when you're tired. Here's the truth. Most people try to read more by forcing it. They set huge goals, block out entire weekends, buy 5 new books, and guess what? Life gets busy, motivation fades, the books start collecting dust. So let's flip the script. What if reading wasn't a chore, but something inevitable? Think about how you brush your teeth or check your phone. You don't think about it. You've simply built a system that makes it automatic. Let's do the same for your reading habit. Here's the magic formula, the 30-page solution. Most books are about 240 pages. Read just 30 pages a day and boom, 1 book per week. But the real power? It's psychological. Reading a full book feels overwhelming. But 30 pages? That's like eating a slice of cake instead of the whole thing. And here's the trick. You don't need 45 minutes straight. Do 10 pages in the morning, 5 during lunch, 15 before bed. You've hit your target almost effortlessly. Want to make it truly automatic? Use reading triggers. Link reading to habits you already have. Morning coffee? Read 5 pages.